party of 6. Thank you so much for being here. Today we have an easy chicken salad recipe for you. If you are new here, I like things easy and quick. I'm a mom of 4, I'm a special education teacher, and things that come easy or things that can be quick are my go-to. So today we have an easy chicken salad recipe that you can adapt any way you want. You can add different add-ins, you can put it on top of lettuce, you can put it in a low-carb tortilla if you're a keto or low-carb, a regular tortilla for a wrap. Whoa, are you okay over there? Or you can just eat it by itself and put some veggies on the side. So it really can adapt to any lifestyle, any diet, even for kids. So it's up to you. I'm excited to share. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, share it with others, and comment below. I love to hear from you and talk with you in the comment section. So let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this and talk over the number blocks video that the kids are watching in the background. But the easiest way to do this would be to get a rotisserie chicken or the shredded chicken that's already at the grocery stores, and Sprouts have them. And literally, you're just gonna throw it into your bowl. I would say if you're going to boil your own chicken or put it in the crock pot, 1 to 2 chicken breasts should be enough. So I'm gonna start chopping and putting it all together.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walking the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you
with this recipe. This is what the chicken salad looks like when all said and done. Eating it by itself is literally just as good, but then I did put it in a low carb tortilla, so you can see you can add lettuce, pesto, mayo, beans, black beans. I would have added black beans if I would have had them. So really anything that you want. It's a good lunch or a good dinner. I hope you loved it. We'll see you soon.